So visiting Nigeria first, in his African first foreign trip, is symbolic in several ways. You know, it underscores the strong political ties that has been at the foundation of Nigeria and China cooperation. You know, it reinforces it. It goes a long way to show that Nigeria and China cooperation has real substance. Nigeria is a solid partner. Nigeria is an important partner in the construction of a global community with shared future for mankind. Nigeria is a very important partner. Nigerian economic flagship, the economic growth and the economic growth and recovery plan, China has been a key partner in implementing its core program, especially infrastructure revitalization. Like you know, from the airport to the seaport to railway to road to everywhere, anything you could think of as fundamental to Nigerian economic recovery, China has been a very, very, very important partner.